Okay, in this video, we're going to go over another special math technique. And this technique is whenever we multiply, where the first number, like here's 3, 3 is the same, and the last number adds up to tens, like 6 plus 4 is 10. Likewise, 700, 700. The first number is the same, and then the last number, 8 plus 2 is 10. Now it says tens. So here's another example, 5 and 5, the same first number, but 92 plus 8 will give you 100. And so we're going to solve all of these problems. Now I'm showing all of them in order to highlight a specific condition. And so let's begin. Now, of course, every problem that we do, I encourage you to verify with a calculator. So we see the first number is the same. They're both 3. What we're going to say is this: 3 parentheses 1 more, 3 plus 1. Now 3 times 4 will give you 12. Now the next thing that we need to do is multiply the last numbers together. So we know 6 plus 4, it adds up to 10, so we can use this special technique, and we multiply it. So 6 times 4, and we get 24. Now this is important. This is 1 digit, this is 2 digits. So we have 2 digits, and we see we have 2 digits. This is going to be a very important condition whenever we solve the other problems. And so our final answer, this 12 goes first, then 24. So this right here is the final answer. Again, verify with a calculator, 36 times 34, and you'll get this. So the next one, 6, 6, the same. And likewise, 7 plus 3 is 10. So we say 6 times 1 more, so 6 plus 1, which is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. And then we multiply 7 times 3, we get 21. Again, this is 1 digit, this is a second digit. We have 2 digits. And so our final answer is 42, 21. So here we see 30, 30. The first number is the same. First number, together they're the same, 30, 30. Likewise, 7 plus 3 is 10. So we multiply 30 times 1 more, so 31. 30 times 31 will give us 930. And then we multiply 7 times 3, we get 21. Again, 1 digit, 2 digits, we have 2 digits. And so our final answer is 93021. So 40, 40. The first set of number is the same, and we have 1 plus 9, which is 10. So we can use this special technique. So we say 40 times 41, and we will get 1640. And we have 1 times 9, which is 9. Now this is important. This is 1 digit, 2 digit. We only have 1 digit. So instead of saying 9, we're going to say 09. And so our final answer is 1640, 09. Of course, verify with a calculator. So this is the next one, 3, 3. First number is the same, and 1 plus 9 is 10, so we can use this technique. So 3 times 1 more, so 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Likewise, 1 times 9 is going to give us 9. Again, 1 digit, 2 digit. We only have 1 digit, so put a 0. And so our final answer is 1209. All right, so the next one, 1, 1, same first number. Likewise, 1 plus 9 is 10. So we take our 1, we do 1 more, so 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Likewise, 1 times 9 will give us 9. But we have 1 digit, 2 digits, so put 09. And so we get 209. All right, the next one, so 700, 700. Our first set of number is the same. Likewise, 8 plus 2 is 10. So we're going to say 700 times 701, or you could say 700 plus 1. And so we're going to get 490700. Now, if you're curious how we can do this in our heads, 7 times 7 is 49. And so we know 700 times 700 is going to be 49. 2 zeros, 2 0, add 4 zeros. And then we do 1 times 700, so 700. So here we would put our 700. That's just a technique to do mental math. Now that particular technique I covered in a previous video, but the main purpose of this video is showing this one specific technique. And then we do 8 times 2 and we get 16. Again, 1 digit, 2 digits, 2 digits. So our final answer is 49070016. Huge number. Now this problem is a bit different. 5, 5. It's a match. 92 plus 8 will add up to 100. And so we say again 5 times 6 and we get 30. Likewise, 92 times 8. If you use a calculator, which I know it defeats the purpose, but really we're trying to highlight this method, and we're going to get 736. Now this is important. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digits. So we have 4 digits. So we need to add another digit right here. So we have 0736. And so our final answer will be 30, then put this piece, 0736. This right here is the final answer. Again, verify with a calculator. All right, the next one, 7, 7, they match. 34 plus 66 is 100. And so we can say 7 times 8, again, one more, so we get 56. And then we will say 34 times 66. We would use a calculator. I know it defeats the purpose, but we would get 2244. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits, also 4 digits. And so our final answer is 562244. Now our last one to drive home the point. So the first number is 5 and 9999, 4 nines, and you add 1 and you would get 10,000. So we can use this method. So we have 5 times 6, which will give us 30. And this one's actually very easy to do in our head. So this is actually a really, really good problem because doing it by hand, it would be very difficult. But doing it this method, it's like nothing. So 9,999 times 1 is going to give us the same thing. So 9999. And we have 2468, 8 digits. So I need to add 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so our final answer would be 30. Then straight up copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 9, 9, 9. And that's it. Now this is a perfect example of a problem where doing it by hand would be a lot of work. Now as a challenge, comment below why this works. But if you don't know exactly why this works, but you have some sort of hypothesis or maybe some sort of insight that you might think might lead you to the reasoning, go ahead and comment below. And that's pretty much it for this video.